Huntsville, Alabama is in North Alabama.
We're about an hour north of Birmingham, about 2 hours north of Montgomery, and then coming down from Tennessee, we're about an hour and a half south of Nashville. Piedmont has all of the ground handling for American here in Huntsville. So we do the ticket counters, we do the gates, we do the BSO, and we do the ramp.
It's kind of a small to mid-sized airport. That's one of the things I love about it is it's pretty easy to get in and out.
Because it's a smaller airport, I have people come to the counter. I just love coming through Huntsville because it's easy to maneuver. You don't have 5 different terminals to go through.
The amount of team members we have currently, we have about 27 part-timers and about, I think, 15 full-timers.
Our team's very diverse. We have people that are younger, like early 20s. We have people that are older, people that have been with the company for a long time, some new people, so we've got a lot of different personalities.
There's 5 direct flights from Huntsville. That's to DFW, Chicago, DCA or DC, Miami, and Charlotte.
So I would say about 15 flights go in and out of here a day.
We also have a lot of different aircraft.
Our main flights that come here are the CRJ 700 and 900. We've got the 145 and the 200, and then we get the 170s and 175s. Those are our main ones.
So that can be a bit challenging too. It's just, ensuring that we get everybody trained on all these different aircraft and ensuring that that goes smoothly. And Huntsville's grown tremendously over the years.
So Huntsville is known as a rocket city. What brings people to Huntsville a lot is the Space and Rocket Center. It's a technology hub, so there have been a lot of companies that have moved here because of the technology and because Redstone Arsenal is here also.
So Huntsville is known as the PhD capital of the South. We've got the FBI here, we've got NASA. So I would say 70% of the people that fly out of Huntsville International are business or government related.
We have Boeing, we have a Toyota manufacturing plant here, Meta has a headquarters here.
As far as things to do, we're right here at the foothills of the Appalachian Mountains. We've got more caves in Alabama than anywhere in the country. So if you're a cave person, that's pretty cool.
We have colleges. We have the University of Alabama, Huntsville, UAH, which is up here. We also have Alabama A&M that's here, so we get a lot of people coming for that. And then we also have a minor league baseball team called the Rocket City Trash Pandas. So a lot of events going on.
I would encourage people to work for Piedmont because it's a fun environment.
I've enjoyed the people that I've worked with since I've been here. We all work together as a team. It's just unsaid. When somebody needs help, we help each other out.
It's just fun. I love the airline industry. I love what I do. And I think Piedmont's just a great company overall. Piedmont is a company that takes care of its employees, and I would encourage anybody to give it a try.
If you like working with people and you like an operation that goes around the world, this would be it.